Amina. Ami.
I need to make I know quality wallahi. See every time they call me, I know like him. See I get hungry since I come here. Every day I go dress, I go go out, I don't know what I do. I go be gari, I go to drink. For Arewa, I know the drink gari, I know the drink for gari, like I tell me. For Arewa, I get up for shinkafa, I get up for nono, dawa, I get up for suya, I get up for sugar cane. Everything I did, what in? I will give me gari, I drink every day. I don't drink gari for Arewa, please. Make I know.
Chiego wine. So shinkafa, anyije. Arewa.
Make I know what.
Kwasi you again. Oh, you check on the effect at the card number. Things don't change. Even man the hustle. Again, say more Arewa. I get them for nama. I get them for sugar cane. Get them for Akia was a potaro eta sugar cane. Make the quiff go for one in your you go on our basin baker. No,
I need a minute away.
Why again? No, go, long, no, go different.
I need it for me.
Yes, I tell you, Igbo man they take care of women. Forget say yesterday no that's EB.
And this one many.
Oh, okay, go call.
Wait. Wait. Oh, that's how we could eat. Oh. I need it. Look for me. I need it. Better as well. Ayaba de mangoro gasa da amande dadi. Ayaba de mangoro gasa da amande dadi. La
again.
Anyaje
Mero again.
What did I do this? Yesterday I give me plenty money. Today I give me plenty money.
Okay, go okay, cholo. No be money you want.
I don't steal.
Be an interview. You embassy.
Anyaje, this money I too much. I don't steal. Go.
I too much, but Ijikweaka. Say me fene. This money I too much. You just say like cake.
What did I do?
What did I do?
5 years I never get job. How I can't get this kind of money I dey give?
Person wey no get job before, no fit get job later. I be lazy man. I dey hustle.
Anyaje, which kind hustle I be?
I dey hustle. I don't get better work now. God don't bless us.
Which work I did?
By 6 months time, story go change. I go buy you motor.
Hi, Anyaje.
Amina, I go buy you motor.
See, Anyaje, tell me the truth. Where I dey work?
You want to know where they work?
Give
me Byron, make I give you my new address.
Give by you.
Okay. Say Igbo man, they lazy. We dey work now. We dey take care of women. Nah, we finish. We go and name interview. Can the embassy. Take.
Sir, this is your office, go?
Now my office.
This is where I dey work.
Now here I'm at the work.
I come here, I see you.
If you ever here, everything done dey okay now. They tell you, no lazy.
I go check.
Make you check. Customer.
How are you?
We do. We pray, may God bless us today. Wow, very good quality. No be all this here we are where people they sell.
How much?
This one?
Is this only the one you have?
No, we get plenty for inside.
Okay. Let's go inside.
Oh no, confirm. This is the final bus stop as long as casket is concerned. Anywhere where you go, you know if you compare their own with our own. Okay, many designs.
Yeah.
As you can see, many. We have different sizes. It depends on the one where you want. Our casket, anybody will buy it. Straight, heaven. I don't know the person where die, how the person be.
exactly like you, the same height. Person is not too tall, but exactly the same height, the same everything. Yeah, the same
The
size,
person where die be like me.
the same size, you know.
Muki Jama to onye nwụrụ anwụ. Oh, yeah, come now, make I show you. Oh, make I show you.
I beg make I know this. I dey look for my husband shop. I say his name is Dust to Dust Limited. Number 10 Uwa Ibo Ole Street. Kinigwe.
Call it again.
Dust to Dust Limited. Number 10 Uwa Obi Oriri Street. Anigwe.
Let me see. Dust to Dust Limited.
Yawa
Number 10 Owaboriri Street. Anyway. Aboki.
Inyameri.
I know the owner of this shop.
Yawa.
Hey!
I know.
Oyinje. Hey! Oyinje. You get money? Plenty money.
I get money.
I know am.
So,
Come,
where
I show you. Come, I show you. Oyinje, le nwunye gị. Oyinje, akpọtara nwunye gị. So you marry a Hausa woman? Oyinje. Hey!
Ayide, I do what?
Who is this?
Ayide, I do what? Ayide, I don't try you.
Hey!
Can you feel
What
now?
happened?
If now,
Water money, play water. Oyinje. So you marry a Hausa woman?
Oh no!
Hey! See, don't touch Hausa woman. Oyinje. Carry am go hospital. I don't do my own.
Amina, wetin be your own? They give you money with the chop. Wetin be your own?
Is he your wife?
Na my wife, oh.
Let's get her to the hospital. Fast.